Not bad. All right, first thing we're going to start off with is the disposable foil trays. Is there only one? Yeah. Sometimes you get lucky and there's two stuck together, but that is a lot of potato. Is there sweet potatoes in there? All right, all I do is layer that potato in there and get some good old coconut cream there. Just tip that upside down. I'll shake it with my left hand. Nice and marbled, pretty lean, very lean. My son said that's good. I thought he liked to render down the fat, but obviously not. Long layers. Oh, lovely, look at that. Let's get some natural sea salt. Just grind a little bit on there. I'm gonna take off the top. Few big rocks on there. And pour a bit, drizzle it on the top. A little bit around the sides. And if you want, you can put a bit of pepper. I see somebody's brought out pepper that expired in 2009 that we've been using. Right. Somebody from the community gave away these beautiful pumpkins. There's only so much like I could cook in a roast, so I thought I want to try something really cool. I'm going to put some corned beef in the middle and then put some coconut cream in with that. I was going to get 2 cans, but I think this is perfect. Wow. This just works really good. Okay. Maybe I could have done this a better way. Oh yeah, there's heaps of air pockets in there. Nice. $11 o'clock. This was ready at about 7 o'clock. All the firewood had burnt down. This is the longest I've ever left it, 4 hours. But I've got a feeling those rocks are still going to cook what we need to cook. Steaming. Two in that one. And this actually is a bit of a low pressure cooker. It's been measured at about 15 psi. Well, that's as good as it gets. Tip off that crap. Juice, coconut cream. Oh. Yeah, he's just helping. Not bad. Hi.
Oh, yum.
Not bad.